how it hurts in my heart of I turn my face right to the sun, trying to leave it all behind. But shadows chase me like a fox, and sunshine makes me blind. Another time I turn around, the sunshine warms my bed, but now the shadows scream at me while copying my zigzags. How it hurts in my heart of hearts, and oh, how it hurts in my heart of hearts. Night and day, from twilight until dawn, I try to cut the pictures off, spinning around within my head. Sometimes I feel like Don Quixote. I won't forget this January and our traces in the snow. But these Polaroids cannot undo the wrongs that brought me love. And oh, how it hurts in my heart of hearts, and oh, how it hurts in my heart of hearts. Well, it's no fun playing the bad one, and it's not easy to say no. So they not touch me when I'm weak, they not cross my way again. I'll feed your ego